Want to enjoy life's pleasures without draining your wallet? It's totally possible. Today, we're uncovering smart strategies to help you budget for fun and experiences without breaking the bank. Greetings, finance freedom fighters. Today, we're gonna help you enjoy the best of life while keeping your finances in check. Ready to get inspired? Let's dive in. Planning ahead. Planning ahead is key to enjoying fun activities on a budget. Look for free or low-cost events in your community, like festival, outdoor concerts, or farmers markets. Keep an eye out for these opportunities and mark them on your calendar. By planning ahead, you can enjoy fun outings without overspending. For example, create a fun calendar each month with friends and family. Highlight free events and plan group outings. It creates excitement and keeps everyone looking forward to budget-friendly fun. Pack a picnic and spend a day at the state park or beach. Enjoy nature, play games, and have great time without spending much. Remember, experiences don't need to be expensive to be memorable. Hey, if planning ahead sounds good to you, give this video a big thumbs up. Second tip, set a fun fund. Create a dedicated fun fund in your budget. Allocate a certain amount of money each month for leisure activities. By setting aside money specifically for fun, you can enjoy yourself without guilt or affecting your essential expenses. This way, you know exactly how much you can spend on entertainment. For example, use an old jar or a piggy bank and decorate it with stickers and colorful designs. Make it your official fun jar. Seeing it grow will motivate you by contributing regularly. Set up automatic transfer to your fun fund each paycheck. Treat it like any other bill, essential and non-negotiable. Knowing you have money set aside for fun make it easier to stick to your budget. Tip number 3, utilize free resources. Take advantage of free resources available to you. Many libraries offer free movies, books, music, and even workshops. Visit your local parks, hiking trails, and beaches for free outdoor fun. These activities provide entertainment and relaxation without costing a dime. For example, check out your local library calendar. They often host free events like book clubs, story hours, and craft sessions that can be both educational and fun. Plan a discovery day each month where you explore new parks, treks, or museums that offer free admission. Bring friends and family along and make it a memorable adventure day. If you find these tips helpful, make sure to press that subscribe button too. Tip number 4, enjoy home-based activities. Make your home a center of fun. Host game nights, cooking competitions, or movie marathons with friends and family. These activities can be just as enjoyable, if not more, than going out. Plus, they're much easier on your wallet. You see, you can organize a weekly game night with themes, 1 week could be board games, the other could be video games, and another can be card games. Rotate host and enjoy snacks and fun at home. Or you can host a cooking competition inspired by shows like Chopped or Top Chef. Set a budget, use ingredients you already have, and get creative in the kitchen. Share the dishes and enjoy a delicious, cost-effective evening. Tip number 5, discover free fun. Always be on the lookout for free fun activities. Many websites and community boards list free events like outdoor movie, park, sign up for newsletter from your local community centers, and keep an eye out for free events. By taking advantage of these opportunities, you have a blast without spending a dime. You see, always check your town's website or local Facebook groups for free events like festival, free museum days, and outdoor yoga sessions. It's a great way to have new experiences without spending any money. If this tip resonates with you, remember to hit that like button. Tip number 6, cook at home more often. Eating out can quickly drain your budget. By cooking at home, you save money and have control over what goes into your meals. Make cooking fun by experimenting with new recipes or hosting potluck dinners where everyone brings a dish. This can turn mealtime into a fun social event without breaking the bank. You see, you can start a theme dinner night once a week. Mexican 1 week, Italian another, and sushi another week. Rotate who cooks and enjoy a variety of cuisine without the restaurant price tag. Or host a monthly potluck with friends or family where everyone brings a dish. Share recipes and stories while enjoying a diverse homemade feast. Tip number 7, DIY projects. Embrace the world of DIY for home decors, gifts, and even fashion. Creating things yourself can be rewarding and budget-friendly. Not only do DIY projects save money, but they also allow you to express your creativity. Try making your own decoration for a theme party or crafting unique for friends. You see, you can try to create handmade gifts for birthdays and holidays. Personalized items like photo frames, candles, or jewelry is thoughtful, unique, and save money. Or you can decorate your home with DIY projects. Design seasonal decoration, paint canvases, or upcycle furniture. It makes your space unique without the high cost of store-bought item. Excited for more? Stay tuned for our next episode, where we'll reveal secrets to managing unexpected expenses without stress. If you're loving these tips, make sure to hit that subscribe button too. Now for the exciting part, my money heroes. This week, choose at least 2 of these strategies and incorporate them into your life. Maybe start a fun fund or look for free local events. Keep track of the impact these changes have on your enjoyment and your wallet. You'll quickly see how easy it is to have fun without overspending. And don't forget, if you haven't already, Make sure to hit the subscribe button so you never miss out on more tips and tricks to improve on your financial health. Here's a motivating message. Many people find joy in life by planning ahead, utilizing free resources, and setting up a fun fund. These small actions can lead to big fun while keeping your finances in check. And before we go, here is your laughter for the day. Why did the computer go to the doctor? It had a virus. Remember, enjoying life and saving money can go hand in hand. Stick to these smart strategies and watch your fun and your savings grow. Keep enjoying being smart and stay motivated, and I'll see you at the next video.